I thank the International Water Resources Association for the opportunity given to address you, particularly to its president, Dr. Gabriel Eckstein, to the association's board of directors, as well as to the staff of the office headed by its executive director, Mr. Callum Clench. One of the main priorities of Mexico's National Water Resource Program, the guiding instrument of Mexican water policy, is to improve the conditions for water governance in order to guarantee its sustainable and coordinated management through the participation of citizens, institutions, and different levels of government. In addition to the actions we carry out in this regard, we also work to strengthen international cooperation through regional and global initiatives such as those promoted by the International Water Resources Association. Since 2014, the National Water Commission in Mexico, CONAGUA, has been a member of the IWRA, and from then on, we have had the pleasure of coordinating activities as relevant as the organization and celebration in 2017 in Cancun, Mexico, of the 16th World Water Congress of the Association, an enriching experience for participants as well as organizers. We have also had the opportunity as a country to actively participate in the association from within, occupying a vice presidency on its board of directors. CONAGUA is currently part of the Smart Water Management Task Force and participate in the Water Efficient Cities project through our technical experts. We at the National Water Commission are very pleased to be a partner of the IWRA and are sure that we will continue to join efforts and contribute to sustainable water management in all sectors, levels, and communities at the convergence of the science policy interface. In this regard, we will undoubtedly continue to be allies in the achievement of water resource-related objectives within the framework of other agendas, such as the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, particularly, of course, the targets of its Goal 6. We are pleased to be part of this exceptional space for sharing knowledge, creating networks and opportunity for participation and professional development. And we're happy to know that for the association, the members are its priority. We are aware of the great efforts that IWRA staff members have put into adapting to the new water and global reality and taking the association to a new level of presence and collaboration. Please accept our sincere recognition. Therefore, on behalf of the Director General of CONAGUA, Mr. Germán Martínez Santoyo, and myself, we would like to extend our congratulations to the International Water Resources Association on the occasion of its first 50 years of history. Thank you very much.